Hi, I'm Dan Owen from Fireward, Area Sales Manager for the North and Scotland, and today we're at Central Tramway in Scarborough to see why they have chosen our industry-leading clean agent fire suppression system to protect their assets and reduce downtime. Good morning, Colin. It's good to see you. Could you tell us a little bit about Central Tramways?
Yeah, of course I could. So we're Central Tramway. We've been here since 1881, servicing the foreshore of Scarborough. So we bring people up and down from the beach in our lovely trams.
How does having fire suppression help preserve this piece of history?
Yeah, well, as I say, we've been here since 1881. Over the time, we have modified the trams to comply with health and safety regulations. So within that, we have now got a lot more kit underneath the trams. There's a lot of electrics, and our paramount aim is to keep passengers safe, and therefore we want fire suppression under there just to keep it safe.
You've been very proactive in looking to protect your assets, Colin. What made you choose Fireward?
Yeah, so I did my research, looked at different companies. You guys were rated amongst the best, and obviously our conversations throughout have been really clear and really concise, and having the site visit really helped as well.
This is an iconic piece of history here in Scarborough. Without fire suppression, what would the damage be to the surrounding area?
So it would be catastrophic to us, really, if there was to be a fire on our trams and they went up. There's no quick fix, so it could totally damage the trams, which would need replacing, and/or the track, and/or the stations. The top stations would as well.
How have you found the service from Fireward?
So far, absolutely brilliant. It's, as I say, it's been really clear, really concise. You've kept in touch with us throughout the process. And on site, we've followed the full process from start to finish.
What would you say to other companies in the funicular railway sector who haven't got fire suppression?
So I would really recommend it. We are a sector that's unique. If we have an incident in the country, if one has an incident, then it affects us all. If there is an option to install it, if you need it, then I would highly recommend it. And it doesn't necessarily have to be on trams. It can be from back of house, anywhere where it would be applicable.
We're on site today with Matt Davenport, one of our engineers here at Fireward. We'll hand over to Matt now, who will talk a little bit more about the system.
Basically, we're here at Scarborough Central Trams, where we've installed a 1 kg clean agent direct system to the electrical box which controls the tram underneath. So basically we've fit a cylinder which is 1 kg clean agent, which is a direct system on the detection tube. Direct means if there's ever a fire, wherever the fire starts, it will burst the detection at about 175, 180 degrees, and when it bursts, all the agent will go directly to where the burst has appeared on the detection tube. We've got a sounder beacon, so it's controlled by pressure from this pressure switch, which is also wired in. So any pressure loss, the beacon will sound and flash and alert the system's either activated and he's got a fire, or the system's losing pressure and he needs to contact us to come out and have a look at it. We've got full coverage of any electrical panels and wiring if there is a fire. It also goes direct to an end of line, so when they do the daily checks they can read the pressure and not sure if the system's got any pressure loss. If the system does have any pressure loss, they can contact us. We'll come out and make it right and do whatever needs doing.
As you can see, this is a slightly different case study to what you'd usually see from us, but it highlights a range of sectors to protect a variety of systems and assets 24/7. If you work in and around the funicular railway sector or with any heritage sites of any nature, then get in touch with Fireward via our website or via the phone number on screen today.